Today, let's take a look at the 2002 A German 50-cent coin. It's a common coin, but it has some interesting details for collectors. This coin, minted at the Berlin Mint, measures 24.25 millimeters and weighs 7.80 grams. On the obverse, it features Germany's national emblem, the stylized eagle, symbol of the Federal Republic. The reverse shows the value, 50 cents, surrounded by 12 stars representing Europe. While very common, some 2002 A coins may have minor striking variations or small errors, which collectors love. Most, however, trade around their face value, 50 cents, because they're widely circulated. In short, the 2002 A 50-cent coin is a must-have for any collection of modern German coins. Simple, yet part of the history of the euro since its beginning.